Hey, it's Joe Lyons. In this video, we're going to show how you can use AutoHotkey in Excel to dedupe rows based on their data. Now there's a great functionality in Excel for deduping stuff. I even have a button I made for it here. Oh, that's the wrong button. It's this button. So I do these a lot. So I have a hotkey, or made the button there. And see, it missed. That's funny. It tries to be smart, but often it doesn't do it properly. Anyway, so Excel, I'm going to say, what am I doing? Deduping. Remove duplicates. Yeah, from the used range. So here we pass it the object to connect to Excel. And then we're going to tell it what the header text. So let's say I wanted to do, column E, which is but, right? So it's going to look in column E, and it's going to find, oh, these two are duplicates, and these two are duplicates. So when I save this and reload it and run it, we're just down to a 2, 3. So let me go. I have that data. I think I have it pasted over here. Because once it's gone, it's gone. Yeah, so there were just 2s and 3s in that column. So let's say I did column A, which would be here, the word here. I could have written this to have been, use the column letter, but for me, it's a lot nicer just to have the words, the name of the header. So it's that easy, right? And obviously you could tweak this to do it a little differently, but for me, I just wanted to quickly say, oh, where's my index? Often it was email, and I wanted to dedupe off an email address. So that's it. Hope that helps. Cheers.